I always loathed the need for sleep.
Are you talking to yourself again?
Something's got to be done about Joe next door. His sonorous air-sucking has kept me up one too many nights. A lion cannot be kept up in the middle of the night by the pathetic bleats of a sheep.
Why don't we just ask him to close his windows?
No, but in the light of day, I will show him who is the hunter and who is the hunted. I shall stalk him through the high grass of his subconscious as quietly as a baby's breath. I shall learn to love him as I poach him, as only a carnivore can when faced with the beauty of his victim's flesh. I shall lick my chops and bare my teeth, and as tenderly as...
Just shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up.
Now I know we can come to an agreement. My law must pass, as well as yours.
Oh, you're talking about Proposition 72. The cyclists. We gotta get them off the road. Those hippies are ruining it. It used to belong to real drivers. At the very least, give them those tiny little license plates so we know who they are and there's some accountability around here.
Mine will purify the air of the putrid snoring.
Yeah, snoring sucks. That's what you're talking about, right? Snoring? Yeah, sure, I'll vote for that.
How easy to gain a vote. Pure back scratching. Give a little take.
Who the heck are you talking to over there?
Excuse me, mister. Would you like some lemonade? It's only $5.
I do not see a properly displayed permit on your stand. Take your lemon swill and sell it elsewhere, little lady. There will be order in my land. For the ruler of the kingdom must come down with a reigning fist on those who choose to test his will!